Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today's tutorial is between the Facebook gaming app and the Omelette Arcade app, which is the best for online stream. But before I continue guys, I will need you guys to subscribe to this channel, like and share, and also don't forget to comment on the comment section below. So guys, just in case you guys are wondering, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus for this tutorial. And right now I'm on Google Play Store to download some of the applications that we need for this tutorial. Firstly, we are going to download the Omlet Arcade application. So I'm going to type Omlet Arcade. As you can see, I have had it installed already, but that there is a new update and I need to update it. So I'll click update on pending. The update is level 0.85 MB. So right now guys, our next application will be the Facebook gaming. So we're just going to type the Facebook gaming. Here it is. Then click. As you can see, I have it installed already. And if you look down there, you can see the Creator Studio. I recommend you also download that, guys. It's very useful for this kind of stuff. Okay. So now we are going to my Facebook. There are some games that I've played before that I want to show you. So just to take a look at how it look like, the live stream. Guys, I opened this Facebook page not long ago. Amateur game and code mobile, I think about 2 days ago. So I'm going to show you some of the stream games that I've done before with the Facebook gaming application. The one on the top I've done with the Omlet Arcade, and this one down here I streamed them with the Facebook gaming application. The 4 of them, okay. So guys, I recommend you watch the full video for better understanding, because there are some of other things. I'm going to explain some other things at the end. Okay, now let's go and try the Omelette Arcade. The right hand, the one by the right hand side, the downside. So click on Omelette Arcade. Before you start, you have to create account. I have done that already, so I'm just going to go straight to the point. Not really. Thank you for using. Sorry to hear it. No thanks. So this is my account level. I'm in level 3. It doesn't really matter to me. Okay, now we're going to click that. Is it tab plus to start your first stream? Now we're going to tap that plus. Now we're going to tap that plus. The plus button below, and then tap again on go left. So say go left. Click. And then it will take you to this list. Select a game to stream. So you have to select the preferred game of your choice. I'm going to stream Call of Duty Mobile. This is one of the good things about Omelette Arcade. You have so many options. You can stream to Facebook. You can stream to Twitch, YouTube, and Omelette Arcade itself. First, you have to choose where you want to live to. So you can choose that to your direct profile or direct to your page. So I have chosen my page, as you can see. I'm on Chuck Gamer Code Mobile. Then you have to click next. No, I made a mistake. Uh, Need to turn that off. Okay, now and also you can stream to direct page at once. You can only stream to one website or one social media at once at a time. Now here you have to write your something to attract the viewers. You have to write something to attract the viewers. The description. You have to describe what you are playing, what you are doing, and mind you, you don't have to let it to be too long. You have to make it short as as possible. Call of Duty Mobile. So let's think of a name. Maybe it's looking like this. Okay, let's land of. Okay, land of no mercy. Yeah. This is actually a nice name. This kind of thing can get some view. And also you have some other settings on the Omlet Arcade. You have the overlay, which you can write your names, kind of your, let's call it kind of a symbol or something like that. It will display your name. Yeah, but I don't really need this one. It kind of useless anyway. Yeah, to you guys, I don't know. You might want to use it based on what you are doing. Kind of a trademark. Yeah. Then again, we have the camera option. Don't turn on your front or back camera, which at this moment I do not need. And now again, the audio source. We have option for the audio source. You can turn on the microphone, and then if you have it on audio, yeah, also turn that on. And then again, streaming quality. You can choose your streaming quality. At this point, I'm going to just put it at auto, or like automatic. So basically, because my network, I don't know, it isn't that good at the moment. And you can also save to gallery. You can also click save to gallery to automatically save again to your gallery, to your video gallery, to your video library after you end it. And then there is have accesses. So right now we're going to click start, and it's starting. We have to give it some time. I got to count the 1, 2, 3 stuff. 3, 2, 1. Start casting. Start now. And yeah, again, you have the option to change your mind, like to turn off the microphone, to stop the video, to set your birth rate. Yeah, you can also set your birth rate, and to some other things like comment, look at your comment, reply to comment, things like that, and also share your video. So After this, we're going to look at the Facebook gaming application. Now we are going to click on the Facebook gaming, the application down left. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this I will say that this application is very easy to. It's not complicated to use. Very easy to use. Yeah, it's the easiest. In fact, for beginners, it's very easy and simple. These are some of my games that I played on. Yeah, this is for arcade. The one I just finished playing, I don't think so. Yeah, this is the Omelette Arcade. Yeah, 11 minutes ago. Yeah, I don't think. So, guys, you have to click on the camera button, which is the start stream or stream button. Then choose the game or you can also add the game if you can't find it, you can also add it. I'm going to click on Call of Duty, and guys, you can also use this application, the Omelette and the Facebook app, to stream other things like the videos or live things like that. Yeah, you can also use it for those kind of stuff. This is the continuation of my first match, so I'm going to you have to write your script description, something to attract viewers. No man's land. Then you have to select that to your page or to your direct to your Facebook wall. So as you can see, I've selected my match or game code mobile, Call of Duty, No Man's Land. Then click on go left. Then to ask for your permission, you click yes, allow. Then start now. Guys, you can actually move the red light button that you are seeing right now. That live red button, you can actually move it to your preferred position. In my opinion, guys, the Samsung mobile app has the ability to adapt to the network, whether be it bad or good. Rather, the Omelette Arcade does not. Here you can see I'm still live streaming. How it look like when you are live streaming. You can see the live stream, the live button. That's how it looks like when you are live streaming. Okay, guys, I have to show you something very important. Very, very important. It only happens to me when I use the Facebook gaming application. As you can see, there is a settings in that settings symbol that is always that represents setting kind of customization symbol always appear on my screen whenever I use the Facebook gaming application, and it's kind of a restriction to others, for others viewer to view my to see to view or to see my streams. I'm still looking for a solution to it. I haven't got any. I thought you guys should know this before you choose the one to go with, okay? Before you make your decision. So if you guys have any solution, please I want to hear it on this comment section below. And also on this one there is no share button. Now let's go down to the Omelette Arcade. The one made with the Omelette Arcade. As you can see, there is share button. You can see the share button and the comments like, and also there is that symbol of word, the symbol of the word. There is kind of symbol of public. There is there. So let's try change the. See if we can change the option, the change it to public. Oh, yeah. So let's see if we can change it to public. Now edit post. And then public. As you can see, it says anything. Yeah, as you can see, there is the symbol of public, but it's kind of confusing because it's not really on public. It says anything published on the page is public, but in this case, I would say it's a lie. Yeah, it's supposed to be true, but in this case, no. This is definitely a lie. We're also going to try it with another page, with another application. We're going to try it with the vidmate application. These ones are made with the Omelette, and the rest, the ones are made with the Facebook gaming application. I'm unable to find them. I'm unable to find them here. Yeah, that is because of how they did it. It's like I can't edit it with see it with third party application, something like that. I just don't understand how they did it. This is one of the problem I'm facing right now. Like I said, guys, if you have any solution to this, I would love to hear it. This theory I made with Omlet Arcade and the rest. As you can see, these four, there are 5 there. I'm unable to find them. In fact, they are without pictures. Guys, I still think the Facebook gaming application has the ability to adapt to any network signal, whether be it good or bad, and it is the easiest to use for beginners. Yeah, and the Omelette Arcade has the ability to adapt also, but not compared to the Facebook gaming application. And the Omelette Arcade also has so many options, which is a good thing. Yeah, to have so many options. Guys, I need to sleep now. Comment below in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification button for further update. Thank you. Good night.